What's up, TikTok? Today I'm unlocking the magic of Pixverse AI with this step-by-step tutorial. I'm showing you exactly how to create mind-blowing videos that'll make your followers think you hired a professional editor. Most creators are sleeping on this, but after today, you'll be ahead of the game. First, head to pixverse.ai and create your account. You can sign up with email, Google, Apple, or Discord in literally seconds. The free plan gives you enough credits to experiment, but their paid plans unlock even more features if you get hooked. Once you're in, check out this dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. You've got text to video, image to video, effects, styles, and more. Pro tip, structure your prompts with these elements for best results. Camera movement, scene description, main subject, action, and specific details like lighting or mood. For image to video, upload a photo, and Pixverse will animate it. This is a game changer for product shots and portraits. The realistic style is fire for product demos. Anime style is crushing it for creative content. And don't sleep on 3D animation or clay for unique vibes. Your prompt is everything. Here's how to structure it for maximum impact. Start with the camera angle, wide establishing shot, close-up, or aerial view. Describe your scene and subject clearly. Bustling marketplace at sunset gives you better results than just marketplace. Add specific details about lighting, mood, and atmosphere. Warm lighting and lively atmosphere help the AI understand your vision. Don't forget the negative prompt section. Type things you don't want like blurry, distorted faces, or low quality to avoid those issues. The seed number is important too. It's like a recipe code. Save it if you love the result and want to recreate something similar later. Here's where most creators mess up. They skip the effects. Pixverse has incredible options. Add camera motion for that cinematic feel. Try zoom in slowly or pan across to create dynamic movement. Stack effects for unique results. Combine muscle surge with superhero for fitness content that pops. The lip sync feature? Insane for character videos. Upload your audio or use AI-generated speech and watch your characters literally come to life. And don't sleep on the auto sound feature. It adds perfectly matched background sounds or music based on your video's content. Ready for next level content? Use the character tool to keep your people consistent across multiple videos. Perfect for building your brand. Upload a reference image, name your character, and Pixverse will maintain their likeness even when you change backgrounds or expressions. Try mixing styles mid-video for transitions that'll stop the scroll. Switch from realistic to anime for that viral transformation effect everyone's obsessed with. The extend feature lets you make longer videos by continuing from where your first clip ended. This is perfect for storytelling or product demos that need more time. Use the upscale button to boost resolution for professional quality results that look amazing even on bigger screens. Hit create, wait a few seconds while the AI works its magic, and download your masterpiece. If your first result isn't perfect, hit retry to generate a different version with the same settings. Remember to save your favorites by clicking the heart icon and experiment with different prompts to find what works best for your content. That's it. Follow for more AI hacks and drop a in the comments if you want my top 5 Pixverse prompts that actually work. See you in the next video where I'll show you how to use Pixverse to create viral product demos that convert.